This is AJ. In today, this is my first assignment for my Python class, and it is getting familiarized with Jupyter Notebook environment and also doing some coding. So let's go for that. It is in Anaconda Navigator. I already opened that, so you can go there. And when you open Anaconda Navigator, you can see different application, different IDE for some programming languages like PyCharm Qt, but what we need is Jupyter, so we want to launch it. There will be some messages like this, but don't pay attention to them because they will require some updates, but it's already updated. So this page will appear. So for working or coding in Jupyter, these are files that we want to, if you want to open, but we want to create a new blank page. So new Python mode. And here we see a new Jupyter blank page. Okay, this is, as you can see, these are the menu bars that you can do something, and these are some functions that we can do to our code or to our text. And also this is the place that we chose that we want to code or we want to text. So we can simply choose them from here. Okay. So yeah, this is the environment of Jupyter. So right now I want to do some coding in Jupyter, which is part of my assignment. And that would be I want to do um, a dice rolling game, which is very simple, and I will create it in a very simple way in Jupyter. Okay, so as, as you know, dice rolling game will require a random number between 1 and 6 from the computer, which the computer or the program language will generate from 1 to 6 when we press the enter. So we want to create something or press anything like we are going to require our user to press enter and to roll the dice, and pressing enter here means tossing rolling the toss. Yeah, what's the name of that thing? Yeah, anyway, as we're gonna go and create that. So yeah, for that we are gonna import random because we are gonna need this module for one program. Right now we have all the methods, all the classes, and anything, any variable or anything which is related to random in Python because we imported that. Okay, so we're gonna print a welcoming statement for our user. Welcome to the dice rolling game. Okay. So after that, as we're gonna need a random number, and also it should be repeated inside a loop. And so we're gonna need a while loop. We're gonna while true because it's always true. So inside this loop, we're gonna need an input from our to take something from a user, and we request our user press enter to roll the dice. We can just simply do yes or like this. Okay. So the user will press enter. So we need to generate a number, and so what's that number? So for getting that number, we need to create a variable first by the name of anything. You can name it result. So what we need here is a method, but in the name of randint, which is randint, which is part of the random. So random rand int and just simply we can um, enter the numbers that we wanted to between 1 and 6. Okay, after that we're gonna print a result. Print, we're gonna use a formatting if you wrote you wrote a we can right now inside these brackets we simply enter result. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, press enter to roll the dice. Enter. You rolled a 1. Yeah, the program here functions very well, and also the loop works good. So we want to do something like the player doesn't want to continue. So so we should also create another part of this that the player might want to quit the game. Okay, so for that, we wanna we wanna create a variable that takes an input from our user. We can call it choices, or simply we can call it play again. Play again. This underscore here, actually we can enter underscore into name of variables. Play again equals input. Just we want to ask our user, do you want to play again? And actually you want to play again. Here I think we should yes or no. Okay. So what if play again not equal to yes. It means if the user doesn't type yes, what should we do? What should we do? What should the program do? The program should print a statement and say, thank you for playing our game. See you next time. And so since this is in a while loop and it will be repeated and repeated, so we just want to break it when the user actually doesn't want to play again. So